Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a breville espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the machine was not providing any water and nothing was coming out. So we fixed that by replacing the water pump on the back of the machine and also the solenoid valve that should be around here, probably not here. And the solenoid valve that is pretty much located over here, and this was busting and it needed to be replaced. So after replacing it, now the machine is working perfectly fine. So let's start one shot of espresso. And as always, they start with the pre-infusion and then they start kicking in, and now the coffee will come out. As you can see, it's working and it's a good workflow as well as a really good color. Exactly 2 ounces. And hot water now. Going perfectly fine. And steamer. Having really good pressure. Okay, thank you for playing with Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.